This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 34R is a Class A RV. It is located in Mount Clemens, Michigan, 48043 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. This new Thor Motor Coach is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 34R is built on a Ford F53 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by General RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.